Hi my dear friends, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates, and then we are going to start the video. In this tutorial we will discuss the ideas another approach. Step 5, final touches. Define your design and adjust as needed. Save your design in a high resolution format. Use movement and animation to bring your design to life. Use layering to create complex and interesting designs. Use shape and colors to evoke emotions and create a mood. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.